Hello traders, it's Trend Trader here. Today we are looking at some global indices. So before we start, we'd like to remind you about our systematic trend following cheat sheet that is available on Gumroad. Please check on the description below, the link is there. And also, if it's the first time you are watching our channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the like button. That helps our channel a lot. Okay, let's start. The first features we are looking at is S&P 500. As we saw that last week, the first week of March, the market was on fire. But as you can see that there was this tiny support here, support level on S&P 500. So the stock, the index or the futures have came back to retest that 3,700 points region, and then it found the support there. So yesterday, on Friday, it started bouncing back up, and then yesterday it also closed on green. So now the target, the area that you're interested on, is to see the S&P 500 futures back near the 3,900 region, and then if it does come back to that region, then we will see if this the futures will break outside this region and probably do a bit of a retest there, and then continue to trade higher, going all the way to 4,000 points and above. Otherwise, if that fails, then we expect to see that the futures will go to reach this level once again. And let me do this right. It will come back to this level. If it fails to break above, we might see these futures coming back to this level. Well, we don't know which scenario will play out, but preferably we would like to see the S&P 500 futures continue to move further up. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq now. We also have an interest here on Nasdaq. As you can see, Nasdaq also came back to test this support level, and then it showed some lower prices rejection, and then yesterday on the 9th of March, Nasdaq closed above this support level. So now the move that we're anticipating, we anticipate Nasdaq that it will continue to trade higher, coming back to the previous swing high here near the 14,000 point. If it reaches that level, then maybe there will be a bit of a consolidation here until a specific direction is established. What we like to see here is Nasdaq breaking above the 14,000 point and trading further up. But if that move is not happening, then what you might see, maybe it's a bit of a pullback somewhere to these regions. But we don't expect Nasdaq to continue to pull back all the way to somewhere below 13,000 points. But then time will tell which move will happen there. So let's move on to another futures that we're looking at. So previously we were looking at the Dutch 30, so that's the German market. As you can see, it attempted to break above this 13,000 resistance level, but as you can see that that move was sort of short-lived. It has been consolidating near this level, and then as you can see, eventually it broke outside this 14,070 points region. So it's currently trading above that level. So now I want to see if this Dutch is going to continue to trade up. But right now we already have a position, and our stop level is somewhere at this level. Remember that whenever you set your stop level, you need to take volatility into account and then adjust your position accordingly, so that the risk that you take is not more than 2% of your total portfolio account. But at this moment, we would like to see the DU continue to trade up. The DAX state, we would like to see it continue to trade up. There's not much that you can say with the other indices. As you can see, what we see in the Seng is that it failed to break outside to continue to trade above this level. It's currently back at this support level. So now we would like to see Seng 30 going above this level, probably retesting that previous level that was there, maybe with a bit of a consolidation up there, and then we would like to see it continue to trade up, but we don't know if that scenario will work out. So yeah, those are the indices that we are looking at. The S&P 500, it's the one that we are more interested on, because we want to see that it's gonna come back to retest the 3,900 point and hopefully break above that level. And also we are interested in Nasdaq. We'd like to see Nasdaq continuing to trade all the way up to the 14,000 point and possibly breaking above that level. So those are the levels that we are monitoring from these two futures, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. So once again, if you like the content of this channel, please click subscribe, and also do like the channel, because that helps the channel to reach many more people. And also don't forget about the systematic trend following cheat sheet that is available on Gumroad for $20. The link to that course is on the description below. Thank you.